Hi guys, I'm Aniket and welcome back to Aniket Pratches, which in English is Aniket Talks. Today I'm going to talk about this book, James and the Giant Peach by Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl is a famous book author who wrote a lot of popular books such as Matilda, The Witches and BFG, which stands for Big Friendly Giant. One of his most popular books is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. If you want to know more about that, check out this video I made about Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The link is in the description below. James and Giant Peach is about a boy named James. After the death of his parents, he lives with his two aunts on the top of a hill in the south of England. His two aunts are very mean to him and he's always supposed to work hard from them. One day, when James was crying in a bush, an old man came to him and gave him green crystals. He said that if James take care of those green crystals, that good things will happen with him. And 5 minutes after that, James lost those green crystals. They fell into the ground and disappeared into it. In the garden of James' house, there was a big tree which was growing. On that was a peach. The peach kept on getting bigger and bigger because of the green crystals which went into the ground. It became so big that it occupied more space than the house did, and the aunts decided to make it a museum. At the end of the day, James was supposed to clean up the banana peels which the fans had left over. When he was doing that, he fell into a tunnel and he came into the peach itself. There, he met insects such as a ladybug, a spider, and a grasshopper. Together, they experienced the craziest adventures that you could think, like going down a steep hill or flying across the Atlantic Ocean from England to New York with 502 birds carrying a big peach. Funny, right? I liked James and a Giant Peach a lot. One of the biggest reasons for that is that the book brings you into the fantasy world. Like those insects I was talking about. The book said that the insects were bigger than James itself. But in the real life, I don't think that's practical. And that's also impossible. Another funny thing is that 502 birds carried a peach over the Atlantic Ocean, which is also really fast fantasy. Another reason that I like this book is because the author wrote it in a way that you believe what you're reading. One of the examples is when James met a cloud people. Cloud people are just people who make snowballs and make rainbows. In real life, that doesn't exist. But you keep on thinking that it's real, just like me. Hopefully, you liked the video. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.